fact, Wohngemeinschaft is a good option para sa mga baguhan dito sa Deutschland. Dali, we're doing house tour video today. Ito, it's a fact. Pag nakikita-kita ang mga Pilipino, ang handaan is lumpia! Chicken o yung lumpia? Chicken o lumpia? Ingredient review. Sure, hindi naman secret ingredient. Hi everyone, this is Odyssey. Good morning from Germany. In today's video, I want to talk about WG or Wohngemeinschaft / house tour. Once you're ready to move to Germany, your employer would look for an apartment or house kung saan kayo titira. Most common for us, especially while doing anerkennung, is you'll be in a WG. Most people though, once naka-adjust na sila, they prefer to live alone and look for their own apartment. But for now, let's talk about living condition in WG. Bibili po kayo ng yelo? Hello! Tara, pasok, girl! Wohngemeinschaft or shared apartment. Normally, you have your own rooms, but living room, kitchen, and bathroom are shared. You may be living with other Filipinos or other nationalities as well, depende sa mahanap ng employer nyo. Sige. Ayan ang linuluto nyo dyan. So, let's start off with kitchen. Usually, pag day off, andyan yung bigla ang yaya. Tara, luto tayo. Totoo na nakakamiss yung mga Filipino foods, lalo na syempre pag salo-salo kayong kumain. Iba yung tawanan. Minsan, stress naman talaga sa work di naman mawawala yun. Pero pag nakwento mo na, napagtatawanan nyo na lang. Sa totoo lang, konti pa lang yung mga Filipinos dito sa Germany. We're all under the same agency tapos workplace, kaya madali kami magkayayaan.
Akala ko dito sa Deutschland.
Di tayo. Bading talaga yan Ayun, sarap ng chicken. Dali, pakita mo. Coca-Cola.
Wala, baho na.
Ano tawag? Nobla.
Oo naman.
Sarap. Thank you so much. Dapat yun hindi pa tapos. Pwede pang mag-round 2. Oh, okay. So, kanino to? Cheers! To love! Happiness! Ay, alam mo ba? Nung bago ka dito, alam mo bang may spill machine sa Deutschland? Papakita namin sa iyo itong spill machine.
First time kong makakita ng spill machine dito.
Hindi ba? So, hoy, ate, tara dito. Diba nung yung bago yung bahay, wala pa naman to ng mga mobile, wala naman ng mga furnitures. So si ate, siya
meron, nung dumating kami meron na.
Akala ko wala. Fully furnished na, pero kailangan nilang bayaran yon. Tama? Ayun, so kailangan nilang bayaran yun. So, usually yung mga bahay, pag naghahanap kayo, either, as in, wala pang mobile, which is mas mura, huwag niyong pansinin yan si Bugoy. Or, Budoy. Or kaya, meron na ng mobile, which is mas mahal. So, ayun. So, ito yung kitchen namin. So, ano to? Meron kami ng 2 ref. Oh my God! Hello, baby! Okay, so for today, magta-try tayo maluto. So this is ala Gigi Hadid pasta. Char! So here are our ingredients. So that's 1/3 cup tomato paste. We also have some onions, basil leaves, butter, and parmigiano. And of course, here's the secret ingredient. This is vodka. Yeah, so let's go ahead and this is my choice of pasta. Oh, andyan na si Jasmine! Dami na namin Pilipino dito. Okay, so let's go ahead and cook.
And also, we have our little garden. Masarap dito tumambay, lalo na pag maaraw.
So now, is our CR. So on this floor, we have our bathtub. Mahal yung kuryente dito sa Deutschland. As a rule, parang pwede namin gamitin ng bathtub at least once a month. So just a rule for us para hindi naman masyadong mahal, and then we can enjoy also or take advantage yung bathtub. So now we're going to the 3rd floor. Ta-da! We have our laundry area over here. So, kami-kami na lang yung nag-uusap kung kailan kami maglalaba individually para at least may space naman sa sampayan. So, dito lang namin linalagay yung sampayan namin. Then, of course, this is my room and our another banyo. So, in total, we have 3 bathrooms. We have our own 5 rooms, dalawang storage room, plus pa yung nandun sa garden, and then we also have our laundry area. So we're paying 420 each, and ilang years na ba ito yung bahay? Siguro 5 years na. So ayun. So sorry naman, yung thumbnail, actually it's just 420 yung binabayaran namin individually, but in total, it's around 2,100. That's why I put that on the title. Upo naman na tayo. Napapagod na ako. WG or Wohngemeinschaft, it's a parang cohabitating space so that you can live with other people. I think when you're new in Deutschland, maganda siyang option. One is mas makatipid ka compared pag meron ka na ng sarili mo talagang apartment. Individual apartments would range from around siguro 600 to 900 euro. Depende pa to ha kung saang city, ilang rooms, meron ba ng sariling kitchen or studio type lang, etc. But yeah, going back, Wohngemeinschaft is a good option para sa mga baguhan dito sa Deutschland. So one is that makakamura ka nga, and then another one is since for me, I'm with other Filipino OFW dito sa Deutschland, at least, kumbaga, mas nakatulong sila sa pag-adjust ko in a new environment kasi nagbibigyan nila ako ng tips and tricks, especially sa work. I did mention na wala akong hospital experience, so talagang nangangapa ako nung umpisa. Parang nagtutulungan kami, kumbaga, para at least mas madali yung pag-adjust ng bawat isa sa amin.
That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this has been Odyssey. Let me know what other contents you want me to create para matulungan ko kayo sa journey nyo dito sa Deutschland. So, I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!